You guys know, right? Every video I try to bring and show you new products, new gadgets available in the market. And today also I have something very interesting to show you all. So I was just hovering on e-commerce website and found this very interesting air cooler for CPU, guys. It's not your ordinary air cooler. It's a massive air cooler that is rated at 300 watt TDP. So you can even use it for like powerful CPUs, Ryzen 9000 series, or maybe like Intel Core Ultra 9, something like that. But the main highlight would be is this air cooler actually comes with like a fully customizable LCD display at the top side. You can apply your own videos, GIF files, or use it for like CPU stats, GPU stats, and plenty of other stuff. So I was like pretty curious to get my hands on this product. It's made by this brand called as Alsai or Alsai. I'm not exactly sure how the pronunciation goes, but the model is called as Infinity Series i600 Pro and came in this sort of massive box packaging. And along with the air cooler, I actually got this freebie, guys. It's a XL sized gaming mouse pad. So to make this video more interesting, what I'll do is, if this video crosses 1000 likes, I will literally give away this high quality gaming mouse pad to a lucky subscriber on the channel. There's nothing you need to do. Just make sure to comment in the video, because the winner will be randomly chosen from the comment section of this video. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to smash that like button, and without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So boys, our brand new air cooler from Alsai came in this sort of packaging, and I do have to mention, packaging is actually quite big for a cooler, guys. I mean, look at this thing. You've got some details about the cooler on the front. As I've told you, model is called as i600 Pro, and main highlight is you're getting a customizable LCD display on top of it. Like, how cool is that? Quickly unboxing it. There you go, boys. This is that air cooler I was talking about, and oh my god, initial impressions. What in the mumbo jumbo is this? Look at the size of that heatsink, guys. Oh wow, massive tower air cooler is what I can say. In fact, you're getting dual fans, I believe, guys. One is at the center and the other one, I believe, is in the packaging. We'll come back to the air cooler in a moment. Keeping that aside, you also get like a separate accessory box in the package. Inside this, you get plenty of stuff. So Alsai has updated their fan design for the air cooler. They're calling it as the new Koala fan, which comes with a brand new buckle fitting system, guys. Let me just quickly take it out and show you how it looks like. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this air cooler is available in two different colors, black edition, white edition. We have the black edition, and this is a fan I was talking about, high performance Koala fan, which comes with a brand new buckle fitting design. Keeping that aside, you get some paper. Make sure to read this for all the details on how to install and set up the cooler. You also get some free included thermal paste, and these are your mount brackets. The cooler is compatible with both Intel and AMD platform, even supports the brand new gen CPUs as well. Some cables included in the package, and good thing is the brand is also giving you a free included screwdriver in the package. Let me quickly take it out and show you. Oh, look at this. You're getting a replaceable design. Basically, you can flip it over and use it either between Phillips head and flathead, so plenty useful for my day-to-day work. So that is pretty much it. These are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the air cooler and talk about the design and build quality. As I've told you, this is from their Infinity series. Model is called as i600 Pro, and I've already installed the Koala fan, guys. Very easy to do that. As I've told you, instead of the regular Intel steel bracket design, you're getting a brand new buckle fitting mechanism, which makes it super easy to mount the fan on the heatsink. And talking about the overall design, now that is one massive looking cooler, guys. I mean, look at the size of this thing. I'll leave the dimensions on the screen. Just make sure to properly look at that, and before buying, see that if this cooler actually fits in the case. Otherwise, it's gonna be a problem for you later, right? Anyways, at the top side, this is where you are getting like a fully customizable LCD display, can fully show CPU, GPU stats, and also like you can even apply your own custom GIFs, animations, and plenty more stuff. Having a look at the side profile, beautiful looking design, and comes with a chunky block of heatsink, guys. So this is a high performance air cooler that comes with 6 heat pipes with copper bottom fins and is fully welded to easily handle around like 300 watts of TDP, guys. That is what this cooler is rated at. And on the bottom side, you've got your base plate. Make sure to remove this sticker, guys, before actually getting started with the installation. Lot of people forget, and because of that, later they face a lot of problems. So make sure to remove that. And on the bottom side, as you people can see, it's a dual fan design. You're getting a 120mm fan installed at the center by default, and on the exteriors, you're getting the second Koala fan, and all the cables are present on the bottom side. Fans do not have any RGB lighting, but the main heatsink at the top side, right, you're getting ARGB lighting, which is also customizable. So basically, you're getting ARGB header, a fan header, and also a USB cable for the LCD screen. What I'll do is I'll quickly install this cooler in my PC, set it up, install the software, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back and it's been quite some time. I've been testing this air cooler from Allsci and there is a lot to talk about in this video. We'll be checking out the thermal performance, we'll also play some gameplay testings as well, and obviously talk about the main LCD display highlights as well. First of all, let me tell you about the installation process. Installation of this air cooler is like very simple, just like any other air cooler, and as I've told you at the beginning, this air cooler is compatible with both Intel and AMD platforms. You're getting all the mount brackets included, and yes, it does support AMD's AM4, AM5 platform and also Intel's all new 1851 socket as well. And due to its large size, as you people can see, once I installed the side koala fan to the heatsink, it was actually covering my RAM stick, so only one of the RAM stick was visible in the case. So this is something you might have to take a note of. Anyways, if you ask about the RGB lighting, onboard fans do not have any sort of RGB lighting. They're simple all black PWM FDB fans, fluid dynamic bearing, basically high performance fans. But on the top profile of the heatsink, you do get some very interesting stuff. You're getting two ARGB lighting streaks, and let me tell you, the RGB lighting of these streaks is like fully customizable and you can even sync it with your motherboard's lighting software. So that gives you a nice touch. And main highlight of the cooler would be that LCD display at the center. i600 Pro comes with a 2.83 inches fully customizable LCD display that is capable of showing you complete PC stats guys, including CPU, GPU, RAM, memory stats as well, and also complete configuration of your rig. Last but not the least, you can even apply your own custom GIFs, video files as well to be played on this tiny little LCD display. Very cool, right? And if you talk about the overall display quality, good display quality. I believe this is a TFT LCD display and quality was nice, good amount of detail. As you people can see, all the text is like crisp, clear, easily readable. Colors were also good, may not be as good as an IPS screen, but still gets the job done. Brightness was also like satisfactory. Unfortunately, I didn't find any option to adjust the brightness of the display. The software used to control and customize the display is easily available on their website guys, not an issue at all. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. Now moving on, let's actually get to the test bench setup and let me tell you about the configuration first. Obviously, this is a very powerful tower air cooler, right? So I wanted to use like top-notch configuration only. That is the reason I have used Intel's Core Ultra 9 285K, which is a monster CPU guys, 24 core, 24 thread. Anyways, that was about the whole rig and configuration. And first of all, let me tell you, we are not using the CPU at its balanced or normal profile. I'm using it in the ultimate power plan mode with unlocked TDP values guys. So we're basically using it at max potential. Quickly jumping into the benchmarks, we'll be playing some AAA title games, brand new AAA title games recently launched in the market, and that too we'll be doing this at 4K resolution, maximum graphics settings, and I'll try to play mostly CPU intensive games guys like Spider-Man series, and that too today we'll be testing out Marvel's all new Spider-Man 2, and let me tell you, this is a very intensive game and puts a lot of load on the hardware, especially the CPU. I've been using this air cooler in my test bench setup for the last couple of days and I've been doing variety of testings, not just like gaming benchmarks. I have also ran like couple of stress tests as well, Cinebench, Geekbench, these sort of benchmarks, and I had like decent experience so far guys. I mean, look at the CPU stats at the top left corner. Despite gaming at 4K resolution and the whole test has been going on for like 30-40 minutes, average CPU temperatures were fluctuating around like 70-75 degrees centigrade and sometimes it's around like 76-78 degrees centigrade. And overall performance of this cooler is actually decent is what I can say. Very comparable to a 360mm AIO liquid cooler. Just for your reference, right? Let me show you what sort of CPU thermals you can expect on the Intel Core Ultra 9 when you use a 360mm AIO liquid cooler guys. So on the left side you can check out the 360mm liquid cooler performance on the Core Ultra 9, and on the right side we have the i600 Pro from Allsci. Nearly similar sort of results, right? The air cooler was actually doing a good job, not bad at all. But one thing I do have to mention is the fans on the air cooler tend to be a bit loud, especially under heavy load or if you're doing like 4K gaming or maybe like stress testing. I mean, compared to a 360mm liquid cooler, right, you can definitely hear the noise coming out from this air cooler, especially if you have your PC set up on a tabletop surface or maybe you're sitting very close to it, right? Under heavy loads or intensive gaming sessions, the fan noise is definitely audible. You can tune the fan curve, adjust the fan speeds and reduce the noise a bit using your motherboard software, but during my testings, right, I've kept everything at default and let the BIOS handle the entire fan curve for the cooler. And last but not the least, if you talk about the pricing details, I felt the price of the air cooler is slightly a bit on the higher side. It roughly costs around like $128. So if you convert it to the Indian market, may be available for around like 11 to 12,000 rupees. If the brand could actually reduce the price tag a bit, right, I believe it could give a tough competition in the market. I do believe that you're getting good performance and also fully functional and customizable LCD display. But anyways, these were my thoughts. What do you people think? Do you actually prefer these sort of powerful air coolers, or would you go for like AIO liquid coolers only? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got like all the information you're looking for. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.